Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the topic immunology. Immunology is an important topic in basic physiology. Basic topic is immunology and the immune system. Immunology, study of components and functions of the immune system. Immune system, molecules, cells, tissue and organs which provide non-specific and specific protections against microorganism, microbial toxin, tumor cells, and they are crucial to human survival. That means they are important for the human survival. Immune responses and immunity. Immune responses are initiate, adaptive. Adaptive are again classified as primary and secondary. Immunity, state of non-specific and specific protection. Acquisition of immunities, they are classified as natural or artificial. Naturally acquired immunity, active. Antigens enter body naturally with response of innate and adaptive immune system. Provides long-term protection. In passive, antibodies pass from mother to fetus across placenta, infant in breast milk, provide immediate short-term protection. This is passive immunity. Artificially acquired immunity, active. Antigens enter body through vaccination with responses of innate and adaptive immune system, provides long-term protection. In artificial immunity, antibodies from immune individual injected into the body, referred as immune serum globulins and immune globulins. Principal functions of immune system. Functions of immune systems are to protect human from pathogenic microorganisms. Pathogenic microorganisms are pathogens, are capable of causing infections or disease. Now the question arises, what is infection and disease? Infection is ability of pathogen to enter host, multiply and stimulate an immune responses, while diseases is clinical manifestation associated with the infection of the body. Bacteria, viruses, fungi, parasites are Streptococcus pyogenes, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Ebola virus, human immunodeficiency virus, Candida albicans, strongylocytes, Ascarians, lumbarocytes, Plasmodium. Defense mechanism of a human host, innate mechanism, first line of defense, and it is non-specific. Adaptive mechanism is second line of defense, highly specific with the memory, and defense mechanism is the cooperation between these two mechanisms. Lymph fluid and cells in lymphatic vessels. Lymphatic vessels collect and return interstitial fluid to blood, transport immune cells throughout the body. They transport lipids from intestine to blood. Lymph nodes, kidney-shaped organ at intervals along lymphatic vessels. Other secondary lymphatic tissues and organ. Lymphocytes and the lymph nodes. Native lymphocyte circulates between blood, lymph, and secondary lymph nodes. Pathogen form infected tissue sites are picked up by lymphatic vessels and arrive at closest lymph node. Architecture and size of node change in response to activations of lymphocytes in the immune system. Here is whole body lymphatic system. Native lymphocytes arrive at lymph nodes in arterial blood. Here is left subclavian vein, arterial blood, venous blood or lymphatic. Pathogens from sites of infection reach lymph nodes via lymphatic system. Here is brief description about the lymph node. There is marginal sinus, germinal center, T cell areas and artery veins. Spleen, lymphoid organ in upper left abdomen. Functions: remove damaged or old erythrocytes, activation of lymphocytes from blood-borne pathogen. Architecture of spleen is red pulp erythrocytes remove, white pulp lymphocytes are stimulated. Historically named as antibody generator, molecules which stimulate productions of antibodies specifically to an antibody. Contemporary view distinguish between antigens, molecules which can bind to specific antibody but cannot elicit adaptive immune responses. Immunogens, molecules which can stimulate adaptive immune responses. Best immunogens are protein with MW greater than 10,000. Nature of antigen: carbohydrate, nucleic acids and lipids are also potential antigen and immunogens. Heptins, small molecules unable to elicit immune responses, combine with large carrier molecule which together functions as immunogens. Antibodies may react independently with heptin following example penicillin G, albumin. Nature of antibodies. Antibodies are glycoprotein, exist as monomer, dimers or pentamers of basic structure. Basic antibody structure has 4 polypeptide chain, 2 identical light chains and 2 identical heavy chains. Also referred as immune globulin. Contemporary immunology: antibodies secreted from Ig made by plasma cell. Immunoglobulin, antigen binding molecule of B cells. B cell antigens receptor. Classification of antibodies. Immunoglobulins, 5 classes: immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin M, immunoglobulin D and immunoglobulin E. Based on structure. Structural difference in concentration of heavy chains. Classes have specialized effectors function. Thank you so much.